few moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Nova Indri Astuti. I am from the Information Technology Study Program, class 17 1A 21, with student ID 1725032. Here I want to explain about adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. Understanding. An adverb of frequency is a word that describes how often an action happens. It tells you the frequency of an event or activity, whether it happens always, sometimes, in never. Adverb of frequency, sometimes called frequency adverb, tell you how often something happens or is the case. They can describe verbs and adjectives, but they do not modify after adverb. Function. The function of adverb of frequency is to show how often an action happens or how frequently something is done. They describe the frequency of activities or habits in daily life. Types. Types is number 1. Definite adverb of frequency. This adverb tells exactly how often something happens. The time for frequency is clear and specific. Examples: one day, every day, twice a week, every year, and 3 times a month. Is number 2. Indefinite adverb of frequency. This adverb tells how often something happens in general, but not exactly. The frequency is not specific. Examples: adverb of frequency: always, sometimes, usually, rarely, often, and never. Placement rules is number 1 before the main verb. If the sentence has an ordinary verb like eat, play, go, study, the adverb of frequency is placed before the main verb. Pattern. Subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb plus object. Examples: I always eat breakfast, they usually play football, and she often visit her grandmother. Number 2. After the verb to be. If the sentence uses the verb to be, I am, is, are, was, were, the adverb of frequency comes after it. Pattern. Subject plus to be plus adverb of frequency. Examples: she is always keen, they are usually late, and I am never tired. Number 3. Before modal verb and auxiliary verb. If the sentence has a modal verb can, will, should, must, and ets, or auxiliary verb have, has, had, do, does, and did, the adverb of frequency is placed after the modal, auxiliary, and before the main verb. Pattern. Subject plus modal auxiliary plus adverb of frequency plus verb. Examples: she usually will arrive early. I sometimes have forgotten my homework, and he rarely will go out at night. Is number 4. At the beginning or end of a sentence. Sometimes adverb of frequency can appear at the beginning or end of a sentence for emphasis. Examples: sometimes I watch movie at night, and I go jogging in the morning sometimes. The most common frequency adverb in English are always, about 100% of the time, frequently, 90%, usually, 80%, often, 70%, sometimes, 50%, occasionally, 40%, seldom, 20%, rarely, 10%, never, empathy. The adverb of frequency answer the typical question starting with how often, how frequently. Examples: how often do you brush your teeth? I always brush my teeth. And how often is Claudio late for class? He is never late for class. The position of this adverb is not one. Adverb of frequency go before all verb of or the main verb and after a form of the verb to be, am, is, are, antes del verb principal or después del verb to be. Examples: she is often late for class. They are always late for class. She usually cooks and they usually cook. Not two. With don't and doesn't, we use the adverb of frequency after this and before the verb. Example: we don't usually travel and she doesn't usually travel. Expression: every day, every birthday, one birthday, plus once a month, which month, there are teams in a month, once a week, which week, there are teams a week, Monday to Sunday, every Tuesday, one Tuesday, one team in a month, two team in a month, three team in a month. Learning adverb of frequency is important because they help us express how often we do something in our daily life. By using them, we can communicate more clearly and naturally when talking about habits, routines, or repeated action. They make our sentence more complete and meaningful. Examples: tense definite adverb of frequency. I go to the gym once a week. She goes to the library each week. He have a meeting every Monday and he calls his parents every day. Example sentence: indefinite adverb of frequency. I always brush my teeth before sleeping. I often visit my grandparents on weekends. She never drinks coffee and he sometimes watches movie at night. Example sentence adverb of frequency. She never leaves. We rarely go to the move. He seldom drink movie and I hardly ever go to the beach. Conclusion: adverb of frequency are words that show how often an action happens. They help us describe our habits, routines, and repeated action. There are two main types: indefinite adverb of frequency, always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Example: so how often in general. Definite adverb of frequency: once a week, every day, twice a month, and so exactly how often. The placement of adverb of frequency depends on the verb type before the main verb. Example, I always study at night. After the verb to be, example, she is usually happy. Before modal auxiliary verb, example, I often can help others. At the beginning or end for emphasis, example, sometimes I read books sometimes. In summary, adverb of frequency makes sentence clearer and help express how regularly action happen in everyday life. Thank you. Bye.
Oh my god! Wow!
Cukup aku saja, enggak dulu. Kalau bukan kamu, sebab kamu bentang. Bawa cinta datang, enggak dulu. Pokoknya harus kamu.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nova Indri Astuti. I am from the Information Technology Study Program, class 17 1A 21 with student ID 1725035 And today I would like to share my opinion about smoking in the campus area. In my opinion, smoking in the campus area is not appropriate. A campus is a place for studying, gaining knowledge, and building a healthy future. Smoking not only damages the health of the smoker, but also affects other people around through secondhand smoke. Moreover, the smell of cigarettes can make others feel uncomfortable and disturb the learning environment. Our campus should be a clean, healthy, and smoke-free place. I believe that as students, we have a responsibility to keep our campus environment safe and comfortable. We can start by following the no smoking rules and reminding our friends not to smoke in the campus area. Let us work together to create a campus that is clean, healthy, and comfortable for everyone. Remember, small action can lead to big change. Thank you for attention. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke teman-teman, terima kasih sudah menonton videonya.